now. Oh, they feel small. They feel small. How can I make noise? The only achievement, I'm able to fight Rochas. Achievement of hope. I fought Rochas.
Here we Berberism chapter 1 verse 1. So, I have warned him. I've warned him, and I want Abuja to hear this clearly. You know, nobody has a monopoly of madness. Why we do what we do is that so that people will not laugh at Imo State. So Hope Uzodimma must be careful and conduct himself as a governor and not a tout.
Rochas is my brother. We don't have any disagreement. As a person is my senator, I'm his governor. He was once time a governor here, former governor, and I was his senator then. So now that he's my senator, I'm his governor. I think what we should be talking about is how to use the two positions to bring the dividends of democracy to our people and how to work together to protect our people. There's nothing personal. Personally speaking, I have no issues with him. And as a government, I expect that we must work together. But you see, there's no act to find mines construction on the face. For me, I have no ill feelings against former Governor Okorocha. And like I told you, he is the one representing me in the Senate, and he's from Olu Zone with me, and I'm his governor here. And the synergy is what we need to make sure that Imo State moves forward.